is Rummon from Northern Cambodia. Welcome back to my vlog. So I'm going for eating something because whole day it is raining and the weather is really very rough today. Sometimes raining, sometimes drizzling, sometimes very much raining. In the morning it's happening. So today it's like this. So let's go, let's see what I do. Here I am crossing this road. If you watch my previous vlog, you can see this place, you can recognize this place. I was standing somewhere here like this, and you can get that previous vlog somewhere this part here. Many street food vendors, but because of rain, no customers. The road is very jerky, very bad road. What they are selling? Everybody is trying to go somewhere. Street food vendors selling something. I think pad thai she is selling. And these are like Cambodian ciclos. They are waiting for also customers. Here before I used to drink my sugarcane juice from there. I am crossing the famous Orisha market here. Everybody is doing some business here and going somewhere. The weather is here like this, every day like this. So because of this, the business seems different. On this part, very heavy traffic jam, so I'm not showing. I'm showing this part only. And it's drizzling. At daytime it looks like this. It's Sunday. Everything seems very rough today. There are also some seafood shops. see the bus, very full lightning decoration. There's a truck. Everywhere like jam, traffic jam. The evening, a rainy day, is supposed to like this. I almost came to my point, so after reaching there, I will turn my camera on again. Here I am eating my precious first meal of the day because it was raining very much. Let's finish my eating and then continue. But it's raining outside, so I'm not sure I will walk or I will use food. But no matter what, I have to finish my food now because it's first meal of the day. I'm very much hungry, and then let's move from here. This is my sugar cane juice. I've finished. It's raining like this. I will start to move from here, but it's already there. And the whole day it's raining like this. I don't know. I am not sure that going to finish today or maybe it will not. So let's see what will happen. Let's wait a bit here more. So this is my look. I'll go to on the rain now, so it look like this. I am covering only my head. My body will be wet, but let's try because I'm sitting here like almost 1 hour. I ate like 15 minutes sitting 1 hour, so I'm tired of it. Let's go. Take a risk. Let's go from here. Here I am, just came to the smile shop. I will buy some juice maybe from here if I find. And I need to buy my food for my dinner. It's already dinner time, so let's see what can I get from here. See rain like this. Okay. So here I'm like this. You can see how I'm wet. It's almost like something happened. Well, let's wait, and I'm ordering my fried rice from here. Only street food. I'll take it from here and I go from here. And it's not first time I'm eating here, so I am expecting the same thing. So let's wait and see what I get from here. So you can see me how I'm wet and how I'm under the rain. And now I'm going back to my place. But really it was like not very good today because I'm wet and I'm going back. So I really like dry thing, dry road, dry weather. The rainy season is good sometimes, but not every time. If you like today's vlog, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. This is Rummon from Phnom Penh, Cambodia. See you tomorrow.